The road has always been a symbol of freedom, and today, more women than ever are claiming that freedom from behind the wheel. Not to make a statement, but simply because it's their place to be. And that spirit came alive at the Nayara Energy Women's Day Rally 2026. A 70-kilometer convoy that set off from Taj the Trees in Mumbai, celebrating confidence, community, and women driving their own destinies. The morning began not with revving engines, but with conversations, laughter, and celebration. From a bespoke perfume-making experience to games and networking over breakfast, this wasn't just a rally. It was a space where women who love driving came together to connect and inspire each other.
So it's a great initiative by Nayara, by Autocar, to get this drive and to motivate so many women to participate.
I think every day is Women's Day, but like this experience that we're getting to enjoy today, it's going to be one of its kind. So it's very exciting.
It's a lovely event. Women from all walks of life have come together, and it's a great way of starting the day. In fact, it's our day and we're celebrating it in the right manner.
I have not driven in a convoy, so this is my first time and I'm quite excited, especially with so many women. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Before the rally hit the road, though, came the all-important safety briefing. And before engines could be fired up, there was a moment of recognition. And just like that, we were rolling. 70 kilometers, dozens of cars, one shared purpose. As the convoy flowed through Mumbai's urban highways and onto the Atal Setu, the sight was powerful. A seamless line of cars driven entirely by women, moving in unison. And as the city gave way to open stretches, the true joy of driving took over. The destination? Nayara Energy's fuel station in Pune. But as always, the destination was only part of the journey. Spirits high, fuel tanks topped up, and pictures that captured not just a convoy but a community. And beneath it all lay a simple but powerful message. Women belong behind the wheel.
It was our first experience driving like this. I've always seen all these supercar convoys, etc. And really thrilling to be a part of it. We had an amazing drive, some amazing women drivers. Actually, great initiative, and I hope this is only the first edition and there will be more to come. And I hope that this fleet and this convoy only keeps growing.
Hats off to Nayara and Autocar for organizing this event for all of us. I really appreciate all the women who joined us today. I would really encourage all the women to go for such rally rides or drives as well. Thank you.
So this was the first time I have joined such rally, and my first convoy. I was so super excited about it, and I loved it so much that I cannot wait for the next rally to come.
The Nayara Energy Women's Day Rally wasn't about speed. It wasn't about competition. It was about solidarity. This wasn't just a 70-kilometer convoy drive. It was a statement that the nation's future is being driven by women. Here's wishing you all a happy Women's Day and safe driving.